Jai Hind, my dear parents, teachers, well-wishers, my dear brothers and sisters. Greetings to all of you. This is Soma. I am here to give you Mission Suvarna Avirbha, Target All, Benefit All, empowered to make our lives powerful and the life we love to live. And this is all possible with the digital platform that we created, keeping the preamble to the Constitution of India and Vasudhaiva Kutumbam in mind as principles. Empowering justice, liberty, equality and fraternity. How does this framework work? Let's explain you. The digital score, Skill of Gold, has many characteristics. We mine them using a framework called RESET, R-E-S-E-T. In the Realize Your Potential, you can realize your skills, your talents, your qualities, which you never know about yourself, is possible to know here. You can realize. And having you in our country and having you on our platform, you deserve points. You are useful to the community, society and humanity. In the Engage, you engage your skill in helping others. Till now, a helping is saying thanks. What if we say you help and you get the digital score? You get your points. Gaining these points after realizing your potential and helping others, you can utilize those points in paying your electricity bill, your travel expenses, your phone expenses. How interesting it is. And also, gaining your skills, you can earn. Put your talent on the platform and what is possible by you. As also, you can request a service at the same time. You can pay using your points or pay using your cash. Points you can earn. The earned points you can redeem going for a restaurant, going for a food, going for amusement. But you deserve trust from the members. We know you, your integrity, your relationships, your talents, and you deserve the respect. Not only that, you can evolve your knowledge. You can improve your knowledge, knowing what's happening around you. We keep you safe. We keep you interesting, secure is our primary motto. And finally, put your skills, your talents, your knowledge into innovation. Know the challenges around you. Address them. Create your own innovation. Express your innovation through the channel and get the right people reach you with a job or an offer. You deserve. This is Skill of Gold score, which is possible in unlimited dimensions. We are ready for you. Are you? Please step forward and make a part in building this gigantic application available for all of us in creating, transforming India, transforming humanity. Please contact for more details. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.